like we're going to get a severe thunderstorm August 1st, 2014. Some clouds coming into our town. There's already a thunderstorm. Looks like it's in Chicago already. In that section over there. So Chicago's getting hit pretty good, or south side of Chicago. It's like there's rain in the background there coming. Yeah, there's definitely a storm over there. Recording a video. There's a plane going through. Look at that, you can see the birds in the background right there. That's cool. And this storm's moving very, very slowly. That one looks pretty good over there. Get some more over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a real nice. That's a downpour right there. That might be severe. Oh, I just missed that lightning. Oh, I just missed that lightning. I would have loved to get that on film. Yeah, it's raining cats and dogs over there. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, I got that piece. Yeah, I got that lightning bolt on film. There's a lot of lightning right there in that little area right there. The wind's picking up too. Kids coming on bikes. It's like 3 girls coming that are turning. Yeah, they better get home soon because they're gonna get blown away. This wind looks pretty strong. Oh, look at that clumpy nimbus cloud. See it on the tree in between the dark clouds. Yep, I think I'm going to end the video now and go in. I think I got enough of it. Oh, hope you guys enjoy this.